Guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. And guys, today I will be making a quick and easy men's gift basket. And here are some of the items that I have placed on my table. And these items were purchased all at the Dollar Tree. So let's get started on creating this basket. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my tissue paper. And guys, this is just going to be a quick and easy, simple basket that anybody can pretty much do. So guys, the first thing I'm going to add is some men's 3-in-1 shampoo and conditioner body wash. The next thing will be shaving cream. And this is body spray, all from the Dollar Tree. Socks. And guys, feel free to move things around as need be, so that you're comfortable with it. And I have here a flashlight and bottle opener, which I thought was pretty cool. I have razors, gum, peanuts, and this is like creamy jelly. Okay. I'm gonna add these items in here. Alright, so I'm going to use this burlap ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree to give the basket a rustic kind of country feel, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I added my bow to my basket, and I think that really gave the basket a rustic feel. And let me turn around to the side a little bit and let you guys see. Okay. And then the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my decorative paper, just to make it a little bit more decorative. Not too much, because the basket is a small basket, unless you just want a lot. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it. This is my men's gift basket. You can make this for your loved ones, a friend, or for whatever the occasion is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. Comment below. And until the next time guys, take care. See you in the next video.